Nifty 50 and SENSEX are two of the major stock market indices of the Indian stock market. Nifty 50 is an index of National Stock Exchange, NSE, of India, which represents the performance of the top 50 companies listed on the exchange. These 50 companies belong to various sectors like finance, IT, pharma, energy, etc. The Nifty 50 index is widely used as a benchmark for the Indian stock market and is considered a reliable indicator of the overall health of the Indian economy. SENSEX, on the other hand, is an index of Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, which is also one of the major stock exchanges in India. It represents the performance of the top 30 companies listed on BSE. The SENSEX is also used as a benchmark for the Indian stock market and is considered an important indicator of the overall health of the Indian economy. Both the indices are calculated based on the market capitalization of the companies listed on the exchanges, and they are used by investors and analysts to track the overall performance of the Indian stock market.